Oh, yeah. I'm reading this law dictionary, and they have what's called the Bill of Rights, the 10 original amendments, the Bill of Rights, those that were passed in 1791. Yes. See, as an American citizen, when I inform the government that I want them to govern my life, that means I want them to enforce the laws of the United States. When those that are the government, the employees of every city, county, state, and the federal government, refuse to govern a citizen that wants the government to govern, they are liable for their own decision making, and they are liable as a government. Now, when you get employed in the government and you have said a sworn oath, and then I email videos or a document, and I say, well, on this amendment that was passed in 1791, it says, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. And then I pulled out one of these right here. Yes, yes, yes. Where it has the actual court case records. Yes. And I said, well, there was no due process in 2011 because I was not given actual notice and opportunity to be heard. Right. Now, the government is the actual employees that are paid from the United States Treasury. And when those that have sworn that they would be the government refuse to govern those that are citizens, that would be myself and the rest of the nation. Right. I actually do have tort claims against every one of the employees that are the actual government of the United States of America. Now, all I have to do, okay, is show them, well, here's what happened. You issued a protection order on July 8th of 2011. A protection order that violates Amendment number 5 in the original Bill of Rights. Now, when I don't get a response from the employees of the government because of their refusal to govern those that are citizens, that would be myself and the rest of the citizens in the nation, they're liable. Their employer's liable. That would be any city, county, state, or the federal government. Their union is liable. And the federal government that pays for any of the city, county, or state employees or contributes to their overall income. Now, if you had actually governed myself as a government of employees that govern those that are citizens, then I wouldn't have any tort claims. But since you haven't done what the law requires, I can sue every employee of the United States government that has what? To enforce the laws of this nation. Now, I'm going to want an email today. Do you understand what the difference is between being a citizen or being an employee of the government? Okay? Every law of the United States is enforceable, and I don't care who you are. You're going to enforce the laws of this nation.